how to sell courses on Coursera. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell courses on Coursera. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Coursera, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Coursera, it is an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses, specialization, and degrees across various subjects, including technology, business, science, arts, and many more, in which it partners with leading universities and organizations globally to provide a high-quality education that is accessible to learners worldwide. And Coursera's courses are designed to accommodate different learning styles, offering video lectures, interactive assignments, peer feedback, and certifications. But from here to start selling courses on Coursera, all you need to do is simply click the link in the description. Or alternatively, you could also click the sign up button in here on the top right corner, where you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID or using your email address in here. But in those options, I'm going to sign up using my Google account, in which after signing in, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here. But at this point, you can start exploring some of the courses that you'd also want to sell, in which it will help you as your guide in selling your own courses in here. If your different kind of goals, subject such as data science, business, or computer science, and many more. And you could also navigate here the search bar on the top panel to search what do you want to learn. For example, this Google Data Analytics in here. By clicking on it, you should be able to be directed on this page, or you can start enrolling for free. However, we're trying to sell here courses and not enroll on any of this course. But navigating these courses, it will help us to know some of the details that we need to know and we need to fill up in selling our own courses on Coursera. And in selling courses on Coursera, it involves partnering with a platform to create and offer high-quality educational content, in which you must be affiliated with an institution such as in university, for governments, or even for businesses in here. And Coursera works with the top universities and organizations to provide courses. So as an instructor or creator, you would need to be part of one of these institutions and collaborate with them. In which from here, all we need to do is simply fill out all of the required information in here, such as by entering here your first name, last name, work email address, and any other information here that are required to contact the sales team. Well, from here, by navigating some of the courses for governments, it will also show you that you could simply contact the sales team in here by simply filling out all of the required information below here. And all of those information are needed, including your first name, last name, working email, phone number, organizational name, job title, and many more. And now, aside from any of those courses that can help you to create a new one, we can now proceed by clicking for individuals button on the top left corner in here. By simply clicking on for individuals in here, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you to get started. You can simply enter or fill out the required information by simply selecting here your answer, including what brings you to Coursera. But you could also skip this part, in which you could also skip some of this question if you want to, or exit directly by clicking the exit button on the top right corner, in which by simply clicking on it, we will automatically be directed in here. And at this point, you'd also discover some of the courses in here that will help you in selling your own courses on Coursera. If you scroll down below here, it will show you some of the popular certificates for each courses. And aside from that, you can navigate on the top panel is My Learning option, in which if a student try to enroll on one of the courses that you are selling, they will be able to see it under this My Learning section. And aside from that, you can navigate here this online degrees, where it will show you some of the partners universities of this platform. We have here University of London, University of Pittsburgh, and many more. So basically from here, you need to be part of this institution or collaborate with them. And once you're affiliated with an institution, you can propose a course idea to Coursera, in which the proposal should outline the course topic, learning outcomes, audience, and even teaching methodology. And Coursera evaluates these proposals based on the potential impact and demand for the course. So one of the courses in here offer is this University of Michigan. By simply clicking here, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you some of the details about these courses and how you can start applying for it. in which it has open application for summer, and it will show you the tuition fee amount in here, the overview about these courses, and any other details, in which all of these details are also needed for you to create courses that will be sell in here. Now once again, to start creating and sell a course on Coursera, the first thing that we need to do is just simply look or explore for the career that you are targeting for your specific courses. And as you can see, we have here all of the courses or details of career, including project manager, IT support specialist, with the supported credentials, info below here, and even the median salary and the job availability of it. We have here data scientist, supply chain analyst, and also bookkeeper with its corresponding prices or rate of the salary, and any other tags in here. And now to proceed joining to the Coursera partnership or to be affiliated in any of the institution in here, we can simply go to Google and search for Coursera partnership. And below, just click this Coursera partnership button or the first thing that come up in here. But you could also scroll down to find other kind of partnership. But by simply clicking the first link that come up, you'll be able to be directed on this page right here. And from here, it will show you some of the university partnership and industry partnership that we could also sign up to sell our courses. For university partnerships, you can bring your degrees to learners worldwide while building brand visibility, reaching new audiences, and expand impact. And it will show you below here some of their partnership, university partners in here, and many more. And aside from that, you could also see here or meet some of the partners. But make sure to also prepare your proposal for the courses that you want to sell on Coursera, including the topic that it cover, which is any of this topic category, such as arts and humanities, business, health, social sciences, and many more. And aside from that, you could also navigate for industry in here, which you could also sell a course to help learners get a job ready for in-demand careers. And to do that, kindly proceed by clicking this Contact Us button right here. By clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page where it will show you the form and the details that you need to fill out with your first name, last name, job title, your work email, organization name, and also answer the question by checking the boxes in here. And after filling out all of this required information, you can now submit the form to process the personal information in here that have been submitted. And that is the course that you are selling for industry. Now moving on for university or joining mainly to this university partnership by clicking this learn more in here, you will automatically be directed on this page and just click once again this contact us button. And at this point, you also need to fill out all of this required information to launch a degree on Coursera, such as institutional name, your department, country, position, job title, working email, and your first name, last name, and many more. And once your application has been approved, they will email you and you need to propose your proposal for the courses that you were selling. And once the proposal is accepted, you will collaborate with Coursera's instructional design team to develop the course content, in which this includes recording lectures, creating assignments, designing quizzes, and incorporating multimedia elements. But overall, that is just basically how to sell courses on Coursera. Thank you.